Hello, today we'll be looking at how to make a spreadsheet to track your gas mileage for your vehicle. Start by opening a new spreadsheet in Google Spreadsheets. In cell A1, enter the text Overall Mileage. Highlight cells A1 through E1 and click Merge Cells. Highlight all of the cells in the entire spreadsheet by pressing Ctrl+A for Windows machines, or Command-A for Macs, and click Center Alignment. In cell A2, enter the text Date. In cell B2, enter the text Miles. In cell C2, enter the text Gal. In cell D2, enter the text MPG. In cell E2, enter the text Location. Highlight cells A1 through E2. Add all borders to the highlighted cells. Highlight column E and add a border to the right-hand side. In cell F2, enter the text Notes. In cell G1, enter the text If City. Highlight cells G1 through G1 and click Merge Cells. In cell K1, enter If Highway. Highlight cells K1 through N1 and click Merge Cells. Copy the cells with the text Date, Miles, Gal, and MPG and paste them into the cells G2, H2, I2, and J2. Repeat for cells K2, L2, M2, and N2. Highlight columns A, G, and K and click Format, and then set the format to be a date. Set the formats for columns B, C, D, H, I, J, L, M, and N to be a number format. In cell D3, enter the formula equals if C3 equals 0, empty quotes, B3 divided by C3. Highlight cell D3 and drag the corner down to copy the formula to the next 100 rows. In cell G3, enter the formula equals if E3 equals city, A3, empty quotes. In cell H3, enter the formula equals if E3 equals city, B3, empty quotes. In cell I3, enter the formula equals if E3 equals city, C3, empty quotes. In cell J3, enter the formula equals if E3 equals city, D3, empty quotes. In cell K3, enter the formula equals if E3 equals highway, A3, empty quotes. In cell L3, enter the formula equals if E3 equals highway, B3, empty quotes. In cell M3, enter the formula equals if E3 equals highway, C3, empty quotes. In cell N3, enter the formula equals if E3 equals highway, D3, empty quotes. Highlight cells G3 through N3 and drag the corner down to copy the formula to the next 100 rows. Highlight columns G through N. Change the font of these columns to size 6. Drag the column dividers to minimize the width of these columns. Do not use the hide function. In cell P4, enter the text Averages. Highlight cells P4 and Q4 and merge them. In cell P5, enter the text Average MPG. In cell 6, enter the text Average City. In cell P7, enter the text Average Highway. In cell Q5, enter the text equals sum C1 to C999 equals 0, empty quotes, sum B1 to B999 divided by sum C1 to C999. In cell Q6, enter the text equals if sum I1 to I999 equals 0, empty quotes, sum H1 to H999 divided by sum I1 to I999. In cell Q7, enter the text if sum M1 to M999 equals 0, empty quotes, sum L1 to L999 divided by sum M1 to M999. Highlight column D and cells A1, F2, P4, Q5, Q6, and Q7 and click Bold. Highlight cells P4 through Q7. Add all borders to the highlighted cells. Set a fill color for these cells, like a light gray. Add a few rows of test data to your spreadsheet. This allows you to make the required charts. Select cells A2 through A6 and D2 through D6 and click Insert, then Chart, then Charts, then Scatter, and click the upper chart. Click Customize. Change the chart title to Overall Mileage. Set the legend to None. Set the trend line to Linear. Click Insert. Move the chart to an open space on the spreadsheet. Make 2 copies of this chart. Right-click on one of the copies and click Advanced Edit. Click Start. In the data cell, change A2 to A6 to G2 to G999 and change D2 to D6 to J2 to J999. Under Customize, change the title to City Mileage. Click Update. Right-click the other copied chart and click Advanced Edit. Go to Start and change the data cell from A2 to A6 to A2 to K999 and change D2 to D6 to N2 to N999. Under Customize, change the title to Highway Mileage. Click Update. Right-click on the first chart and select Advanced Edit. Change the data from A2 to A6 to A2 to A999 and D2 to D6 to D2 to D999. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the spreadsheet. To use it, enter the required data in the fields as you did with the test data. The averages and charts will display your gas mileage. We hope that this has been a useful tool to help you keep track of the mileage and health of your vehicle. Thank you for watching.